This is a 2018 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited, one of Harley Davidson's premier touring bikes. The color of this 2018 Ultra Limited is industrial gray denim and black denim. A really great color, hard to find. This 2018 Ultra Limited has a Stage 1 performance package on it. It has a high flow intake, Vance and Hines power duals with black Vance and Hines mufflers. This bike is equipped with a 107 cubic inch MILWAUKEE 8 engine and the Vance and Hines FP3 tuner brings it all to life. This bike runs very, very strong and very, very smooth. The FP3 tuner by Vance and Hines Bluetooths into your phone. A person can download numerous Vance and Hines fuel packages into this bike, and you also have the option of doing an auto tune, so it will tune to the way you ride. And then if you decide to put cams or heads or whatever motor work you decide to do to a bike, it can handle that. This bike is in excellent condition. It has 4,128 original miles on the odometer. Very low mileage bike. It is a Rushmore Project bike, so it has the enhanced new frame, the improved saddlebag latches, and FuelPak hinges and latches. Being the limited model, it has the heated grips. It's come in kind of handy this time of year. It also has the 6.5 boom stereo in it, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, navigation, weather band. Now you can Bluetooth the music from your phone or your iPod directly into the system, or you can plug it in the hidden compartment right here, and it will not only charge your phone, but it'll interface it into the stereo. You can control it with the hand controls or with the touch screen. Being a Rushmore Project bike, it does have the redesigned front Batwing Fairing for better aerodynamics. It also has the vent that is to reduce buffeting on the rider and the passenger. The black windshield trim has been added to this Limited. Really sets off the industrial grade denim. Of course, it has ABS brakes, the smart security system, nice contrast cut wheels, adjustable highway pegs. Just an absolutely incredible touring bike. The seat is in like new condition. There's no holes, no cuts, no tears, no scratches. Very comfortable for the rider and really, really comfortable for your passenger. The bike is equipped with the Harley Davidson premium luggage for the saddlebags and also the FuelPak. The FP3 tuner is in this box. This is a single Harley Davidson headset. And both the owner's manuals for the bike and also the boom stereo are included. This is a very nicely equipped bike that is ready for the highway. a new touring bike, take a really good look at this 2018 Ultra Limited. It's got a great two-tone paint job. It has the 107 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine. It has the Stage 1 performance package. About all this low mileage bike needs is a rider. For information on how to put this beautiful bike in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.